Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna take apart this Sachs Huret gear shifters. It is in okay condition, but I can't shift any gear, and that is a problem because I want to use it. So we are going to take this apart, we are going to clean it and then put back together. Before we start, hit the subscribe button and enjoy the video. Okay, firstly we are going to put some WD-40 on the both sides. Okay, I'm gonna use round pliers. Okay, it is moving. Okay, let's take this off. Okay, put that aside. We have here a disc. This is made in France, as you can see. Okay, we have one more disc here. And we have this part. Okay, we are going to throw away this. And we have here a plastic disc. Okay, and we have this lever. Okay, put that aside. We have here one more disc. We have this part. Okay, now let's go on the other side. Okay, and again this side has exactly the same parts as the previous one. Okay, here is a plastic disc. I need somehow to take this off. Okay. Okay. I need to take this. I'm going to cut this. Okay. And we have here a lever. The bottom disc. This part. And this. Okay, I'm going to take off Okay. So we disassemble everything. Now let's clean it. In this part I'm gonna use a warm water and a detergent for dishes, which is a good degreaser. And I have here a clean water and some old t-shirt, and with that I will dry the parts. So first I'm gonna put all pieces of one side in the water, and I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna clean the other side. I don't want to mix them up. So put that inside, and I have here a toothbrush and a sponge. Okay, now let's put this all together. For assemble I will use oil to prevent rust and secure fully functionality of the shifters. So take this part and this part. You place it like this. Okay, here you put this part. I will put a little oil here. Okay. Now we take this lever and we install it like that. The next thing is this plastic. Then we are going to install this part. It goes like this. Okay. Then this black disc will go like this. This part goes over this part, and then we need just to screw it. But before we do that, I will put a little oil here. Okay. Little oil here. And then we put a a little oil here, and then we just need to screw all together. Okay, everything is in order. Better than before. Now let's install the other side. Again, we have this part, and this part will go like this. Exactly the same as the left side. Okay, we have this piece. We will put a little oil. Then we have a lever. Okay, it goes like that. Then we have this plastic part. Goes like this. We have this part. Okay, I forgot again to put a little oil. Okay. I'll put here a little oil and install this part like this. A little oil, just a drop. This part, and we need to screw it. Okay. We will install this. This is a round side. This has a two flat side. This bolt has two flat side. I don't know if you can see it. So this must go here. Okay. And this nut will go over here. And just screw it. Okay. This is all functional. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.